All right, Grand Rising, everyone. It is Shay C, King or Shalom, and I'm back. And, oh, there go that song, A Stranger in My House. I'm just sitting here, and I feel like I was just getting something here, channeling some information, something between, like, maybe Nephilim and, I don't know, Anunnaki energy here. I don't know. The thing is, I feel like maybe the people don't, like, certain people talk about this stuff because, or maybe it's time, or maybe it's not time, I don't know. But I feel like we're at this energy of, I'm just doing my makeup. I just feel like we're in this energy when God is waking up in the garden and noticing that somebody been fucking with shit. Like the Lord God been up in here. Which the Lord God can be a Satan, okay? Have been up in the garden. Yakub energy, possibly. Now, that don't mean that this is all negative or all hateful or anything like that. I'm just saying this direction that something is being pointed in here. And if you can't, like I said, keep it real or whatever, how you even gonna get to the bottom of the thing? And that's why I don't like to deal with a lot of people, I think, because, you know, people want you to sugarcoat things. They want you to do it a certain way, and I didn't come here to do it nobody else's way. Unless we, you know, unless it's the highway, you know what I'm saying? So, I feel like there is some kind of something that's getting started here. It's already been started, but I don't know, somebody may be trying to bring something to a finish. There is this heavy presence. I mean, I'm telling you, this girl reading that did this, not a reading, because I don't get readings, but just a general message or whatever. And it really hit me, and it, you know, I was emotional, I think, you know, about it. Because I was trying to see, something had already been saying, somebody gone, you got to do it, I'm like, and I'm just thinking to myself, like, do what? And it's like somebody's gone, you know. But I'm finding out that there's probably family members, you know, as above, so below, extended or whatever, that I'm not even aware of. So this all stems back to the fact that it's clear to me now, okay, with the help of the ancestors, angels, guides, and other seers and things like this, right? It's apparent that whatever is going on around my neighborhood or my area, just even with the video we just did about the yesterday about the, what do you call it, the no-fly zone, okay? It's almost like, you know, to take flight, we don't have to actually also be talking about, you know, like something in the sky. That could be also a mental thing, possibly. So again, you know, that's the whole energy, like I was thinking about, like sleeping with the enemy. You could be standing right next to somebody, but there could be somebody else. When I keep saying like top flight security, there could be somebody else controlling the narrative when it comes to that person. There could be, and there's just like this heavy thing of like compensation and well, yeah, that too, but communication, compensation, what do you call it? The C, conception, okay? Because, yeah, I think people didn't expect some of us to wake up to certain things. And maybe even not at, maybe they expected you to, but not at a particular time. Something is like case and time sensitive, right? And the only reason why I feel like there's nothing to hide from me, like, is because, I mean, it's kind of like that energy. I want you to know. It's not nothing evil about it. Like, and then somebody try to make that seem like that's devious or something. No. Well, how could it be if I'm going to show you exactly? You know what I'm saying? Whatever God is just trying to show us exactly. It's like God saying, oh, I'll show you better than I can tell you. And that goes to when it comes to all of us. I don't think it lead nobody out. But I think it's being more geared towards those who have been doing wrong to others. It's like judgment. Okay, maybe it's Judgment Day. And that's why I keep hearing it's your day. But we're going to see. I don't know. I don't get excited anymore because I feel like whenever I get excited, like I'm about to go and like level up or something or be upgraded, that it just doesn't never happen. But I'm trying to keep my hopes up. You know, it's like it feels like we're in a video game or something like that, and somebody has like left you at a certain level, man. Y'all know, ooh, because they could keep on getting the one up. Y'all know when you're on Mario Brothers and you get to that one, I don't even know if it's like level 5 or some shit. I can't even remember. And you be jumping on that fucking turtle like it's like who needed all them lives? You know what I'm saying? Who really needed all them damn lives? Okay, but you would sit there for 30, 40 minutes jumping on that damn turtle. Okay. All right. Greed, but I don't know. Maybe it helped me, realize something in this day and age. Okay, maybe it helped somebody realize something. Oh my goodness. Oh, my head is hurting, man. But I'll tell you one thing. I didn't start getting a headache until I left that vicinity, right? And I think my daughter got one too. So it must be something. There is a well there. And I'm just thinking, well. But I was even thinking in the shower over here, like, this water is really hard here. But I think this is an older building. But the water is really hard. And I can't stand that feeling on my skin. But anyways, what are we talking about? Okay, so what I feel is going on, like I said, we're at the part when God wakes up in the garden and say, whoa, wait a minute. Now, since we got this, and I feel like this is heavy Nephilim, Anunnaki, also animal, Dr. Doolittle, communication, compensation, the other C. With the joining of maybe, something here. Consummation, communion, conversation. All right. So like maybe a clear path or something like this. It's like, but I feel like it's now after something has already been done. It's after somebody who had the key to something for somebody, or this wand energy. So maybe this has something to do with my Ace of Wands. I feel like, yeah, my Ace of Wands, but I feel like, damn. I feel like maybe this reason why I'm feeling like this, because that's my heart. And it might be the root or sacred part of him, the root part of him. That may be feeling some kind of way, because feeling a distance between where I'm at now, or where I'm going, and where he is. Because I think, I don't know, that could be the physical aspect. What? Okay, hold